Hello everyone, hope everyone is doing well. And on this video, I want to share with you how I was able to make $23,000 just in a single day, right? And I'll show you the exact proof. And also another question I wanted to answer that I had from one of my subscribers is they actually registered on the passive income platform, but they don't know the process after they have registered on the platform. So that's what I'll be sharing with you. It's going to be a step-by-step guide on when you actually register to start making money daily from this passive income platform, right? So if you're new to my channel, my name is Sanjeev, and on this channel I create videos about YouTube automation, affiliate marketing. But the new thing I'm actually into now, and I've been doing, and I'm getting huge amount of success, plus a lot of my clients are actually doing really awesome. The client that joined, I shared the results not so long ago. Within the first 2 weeks, he was able to get $4,500 just by this passive income system, right? So that's what I'll be sharing with you. So make sure I stay throughout this video to actually understand how I'm actually making money from this passive income platform, right? So without wasting much of your time, let's get into the results, right? Because you just shaking your hand, just closing your eyes, you're probably thinking, oh, 23,000 in a single day. Yes, it's totally possible. So now let me get into my proof, right? So here's a money that I actually received from the platform. So the process I'll share with you, like how we're actually getting these funds. So but now I want to show you this proof, right? This is my actual email, and this is not some sort of fake numbers. This is all correct numbers. So let me find the email again, right? So you can actually see the proof, right? Proof is always in the pudding, right? So that's it. Okay, here we go. So on the 14th of 2nd, 2024, right? $23,500 Australian, because I'm in Australia, and I'm receiving in US dollars, but when I actually send to my bank on Wise, because I withdraw the fund in Australian dollars, this is how much I receive, and this is close to about $15,000 or $16,000, right, in a single day, right? This happened on the 14th. So this month is, you can see, is the 27th, and still got 2 more days. And I've also made a lot few of income also. So this month is well over, I'd say, $30,000, right, just in this single month. Okay, so another question I wanted to answer is, like, what happens when people actually register on my system, on this passive income platform, and how they actually start to make money, right? So beneath this video is going to be a link which will actually bring you to this page here, right? So you're going to click and you're going to come to this page. You're going to enter your name, your last name, and you're going to enter your Gmail. Make sure it's a correct Gmail, because the company will send you all the login details to this platform. What country you're in, country code, your mobile number, your date of birth, your password, what password you want to create, right? And also the image you want to all type in. And also you want to tick these 2 boxes here, because if you don't tick on this box, like, you won't be able to create account. So you're gonna click create account, and after you've created the account, you will get an email from the actual company, SaroFX. So make sure, if it's a Gmail, go to your spam folder, go to your promotion folder, because it will be on those folder if it didn't land on your primary folder, right? And once you get that, you're gonna have all your login details for you to log on to the platform, right? So after you have logged on to the platform, you'll see all the packages, what packages pays you what amount, right? But second thing that you need to do is you're going to open up an exchange platform, right? So how this actually works is, basically, we're gonna send the actual dollar amount to this exchange platform, which is the one I use is Coinbase.com, right? You're gonna create a account, right? And you're also going to be verifying yourself, like because they want to see if you're a real person, right? So make sure you put all your details in here, and then you're gonna go to deposit. Once you go to deposit, you're gonna deposit the funds to this Pi ID, right? So you're gonna copy this and then go to your bank and transfer the money with this Pi ID to this platform, right? So test with like $5, $10, $20, right? Because you want to be sure it's coming to this platform. So after you have sent it, you'll see that money in here, right? So once you have seen that money there, then you can send the bigger amount, like $50, $100, whatever amount you want to start off with. But the minimum on this platform is $50 you can get started off, right? And basically, once you have that actual dollar amount here, then you're gonna go and buy and sell, okay? And then after that, you want to buy the coin, right? So you're gonna go buy, and then this one we wanna change it to Theta, okay? And then enter the amount. Like for example, if you want to start off with $250 worth of Theta, right? So and then you're gonna just go and buy Theta. Okay, so once you have bought the Theta USDT, right, then you're gonna go to send and receive. Like you cannot see there because I haven't bought any coins yet, but you're gonna go to send, and then what you're gonna do in the send section, you're gonna enter the details of this platform's wallet address. Okay, simply. But to actually get the wallet address, you can actually chat with the support. Once you created the account, there's gonna be a box there. You can chat with the support, or what else you can do is come and connect to me via Facebook. I'll leave a link in the description section. You can click and come and connect to me, so that way I can actually connect you to my own WhatsApp group. And the SaroFX support is also on my chat support as well, right? And I have close to about 20 or 30 members in the group who are actually getting results with this actual platform, right? So how this works, this platform actually does stock trades. They also do forex trades. They also do crypto as well, buying and selling, right? So and they do in indices, right? So that's how they're actually making money for us as investors. And this is by far the easiest way to be making income online, right? Before that, I used to do YouTube automation, affiliate marketing, dropshipping. Yes, I was getting results, but in saying that, like I was doing a lot of work, right, in the background, which people they don't see, right? Monetizing your channel, creating content. If someone quits your team, you have to go and find the right team to create content for your YouTube automation channel, right? And YouTube automation channels takes a while to start getting traction, right? So if you're not consistent on your channel, it's gonna be very hard for you to make money, right? And you need to wait. I don't know how long it's gonna take you, because I always have a monetized channel in place, because my teams are always monetizing YouTube automation channels, right? So I used to go and just start up any niche because I already had a monetized channel, right? But for a complete newbie, that take probably about 3 months, 4 months, 5 months, 6 months, however long they take, because they're doing everything the organic way, right? So you need to keep draining your money like day in and day out, but there's no guarantee that you're gonna be making money with that, right? But with this system and platform, you start to make money every 24 hours, right? And I will also bring a few of my clients. I'll also do a one-on-one interview with them, so I can actually see how this business is actually making a difference in so many people's life. And that's what I'll be bringing to you. So make sure you do go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel, YouTube channel, so I can actually see the results of real life people. And now, I'm not like any other guru that pays their clients to come and give fake reviews, right? So these clients are all my real clients, and basically they come and share the results, the journey, what business they were into now, and what's the reason they chose this platform, right? And you'll also see that a lot of these clients were actually trying so many different things like YouTube automation. Some of them they were doing Amazon FBA. Some of them they're doing stock trading by themselves, right? And they're pretty much trading their time for money. But now you'll see that how they're making money so easily in 2024 with this passive income platform, right? So again, thank you so much for watching. If you have any more question, leave in the comment section below. And also, if you want to register for the Saro FX, do go ahead and click the first link in the description section below, and also come and connect to me via Facebook. I'll be more than happy to help you out and also jump on a call with you just to share with you like how I'm actually making this money so easily in 2024 and moving forward. Again, thank you so much. My name is Sanjeev, and have you an awesome day. Bye for now.